In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can download and install a game using BlueStack. Just open your BlueStack. There you can see BlueStack. So I'll open it. So after opening the BlueStack, you need to search for the game that you want to download. But I'm just going to download a random game from here. Let's say I want to download this one. So I'll click on it. Then it will take us to a different page and you will see a button called Install from Google Play. So you need to click on this button, Install from Google Play. And once you click on it, it will take you to this page, and here you need to click here, Install from Google Play. So it will tell you to sign in Google Play if you are using for the first time. So right now I'll click on sign in. Then you need to give your email address here. So I'll give my email address. Then I need to click on next. After that, we need to give the password for the email address. So I'll give the password, click on next, then click on agree. Then go down and click on accept. And there you can see it will show us the game. And it seems this game is not available in our country, but we will be able to download any other game from here. Let's say I want to download this game. I'll select it, then I'll click on install, and it will start installing. So the game size is around 101 MB. So right now I will just fast forward the video. And there you can see it is now installing. And it is complete. So right now we'll be able to play this game. There you can see, and it is showing in the BlueStacks app. If we now click on play, so let me just click here OK. Then if I now click on play, it will load the game. There you can see. So let me just close this, and let me just open the BlueStacks again. Let me say here BlueStacks. There you can see. And after opening the BlueStacks, here you can see my games option. If we now click on my games, it will show us the games. If we now click on it, it will open that game. And there you can see. So this is how you can download any game using BlueStacks. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.